Hello crafty friends, welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't been here before, welcome. Today I am doing another diamond painting unboxing that I got from the dollar store. So story goes, went out one day and just happened to come across one, and then went on a bit of a hunt and found 5 more. So I have so far unboxed 2 of them, and I did unbox this one last night and forgot to turn the record button on. Like, what is wrong with me? I think this is the second time in the last couple of weeks that this has happened. Not good enough. I mean, you would think that somebody who's running a camera should know to turn the record button on. But I think what was happening is I was trying to get more than one done at a time. And so I stopped the button and then forgot to restart it. I wanted there to be some separation between the different videos. So anyways, long story short, I have another Dollarama diamond painting to show you guys. This one has been opened, so it shouldn't be as difficult to get into, and I do apologize. I hate it when I have to refilm an opening. I don't know, it just doesn't seem authentic. So gonna take this out and show you the thumbnail. This one is a pretty white flower, and I like it. I really do. Now we'll just go ahead and take this stuff out. Thankfully, I put it away fairly good. I have to say, I do like the packaging. I don't like that it's plastic, but it is sturdy, so I do feel like the paintings are protected inside. And this is another one that was a $4 diamond painting. It comes with your regular diamond painting kit, which I'm not even going to go into because I have done that enough times. Your drills off to the side, and let's take a look at the pretty painting. So do I need to straighten this one? You know, I don't think I'm going to straighten it just to save time. I'll straighten it when I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'll just give it a quick little turn here, and hopefully this will make it worse maybe. Now, this one says it's a 30 by 30, so some of the other ones we looked at, or at least one of the other ones we looked at, was a 30 by 40, so they do tend to change in size, which is good, which means they have some thought for maybe what it's going to render like. I hope. We can always cross our fingers. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick little measurement of this to get this out of the way. So this one is 25 wide. And I just want to straighten this one down. Pick a line, Dawn. Oh, and get it on the right line. And 25 wide. So 25 by 25. And as we all know, budget paintings, for some reason, the sizes they give you are not accurate as to what you're actually going to get. So let's check the sticky on this one. Really, really good stick, and I have found that across the board, these paintings tend to have a really, really nice stick factor. And then I'm just going to zoom you down so that we can take a look at this great field. So very, very, very clear. They do use color in behind, but it's not done in a way that makes it more, like when they use those little micro dots in behind, sometimes it can be hard to see the actual symbol. They're not doing that here. It's all very, very straightforward. I'm just kind of going through this with you so that you can see exactly how clear this field is. Like, really impressive. There are 24 colors. It looks like they use letters and numbers only. I do believe that these are, I'm gonna go with, I think that they are DMC colors, but it doesn't actually say that on here. So you could number a kit up 1 to 24 and do it that way. You could do it by the number and do it that way, or you could do it by the symbol. So there's a couple different options with regards to taking a look at this kit. Now, this is where you know I've been in the kit before, because the diamonds, the drills aren't put away quite as neatly as they were the first time I took them out of the pack. So let's start other end. And we'll start with this little free one first. So we've got 3774, 3790, 3817, a nice sagey kind of green. 3865, which is a fairly light, if not the light. I like the colors on this one. I'm just trying to get, there we go. There's the end. And then they get all twisted and then they make more noise. Okay. So this one is 169. That's kind of a gray. 300, 301, 400, and 422. All different shades of browns, including this 435, 436. 503 is a pretty green. 504 is a different shade of that pretty green. Kind of like a seafoamy color. Ooh, something knocked off. 543 is a nice tan color. 613 is a more, I don't know, muted tan, I guess. 645 kind of looks like an army green, sort of. 646, 647, now that's an army green. It's kind of a sagey, kind of grayish green. 738, 829, 842, so lots of browns and tans in this one. 938, a nice brown. 3033 is a more tan color. And then your dark brown in 3371. And when I flip this over to take a look at the drills actually look not too bad. I do see some divots in it, but I'm not seeing a lot of strays. I'm not seeing a lot of odd shaped drills, junk. I'm really not seeing too much of that at all. Now you never do know until you get into it, but for the most part, for what they look like in here, they look actually pretty good. So sorry if I'm not quite in the right scene or the right angle here. That's a pretty color, and it looks pretty good. So one of the things that these Dollarama diamond kits have really impressed me about is the fact that, let me just get these put away first. So one of the things that these kits have impressed me with so far is the clarity on the drill field is really good, but the diamonds or the drills themselves have actually been quite decent. So they're not chinsing out on the quality of the drills at all. 30 by 30, 24 colors. This is going to be a fairly simple one to do. And what can I say? Not bad for a $4 price. Again, great gift for somebody who's wanting to dally into or try the art of diamond painting. And then again, I always go back to that whole, if you're going on a trip and you want to throw one of these in your bag, you're not going to be super concerned if something, God forbid, should happen to it. So you don't want that to happen, but sometimes things happen, right? So here's another $4 kit. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up as well. Subscribe to the channel if you would be so kind. And this is number 3, so we've got 2 more to go. Not bad so far, I'd say, though, right? Anyways, you guys, take care. Hug a loved one. Make yourself smile, or find something in your day to make you smile. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.